quick!
Today, we're going to make a simple tissue squishy. Invite your friends to join you and have fun together. Let's go! Take out 2 tissues. Spread out 2 sheets flat and get them ready. Prepare a handful of cotton balls. Shape it into a circle with your hands. Wrap the cotton wool in 2 sheets of tissue paper. Secure it with Scotch tape. Gather the tissue paper little by little around the center to form a round shape. The cotton balls may keep popping out, so you need to hold them in place with your hands. As I was making it, it looked like white steamed bread or a large dumpling. I'm suddenly feeling hungry. Lol. Be sure to tape it carefully so that the tissue paper doesn't tear. Let's check if the cushioning is okay. Oh, the cushioning is foam, so it's a pass. I'm going to draw cute Pompompurin with 4 colored markers. Apply a base color to the tissue ball in yellow. When coloring, please do not press down, but just lightly touch the surface. If the tissue paper gets wet, it may tear. It is important to control the amount of pressure applied. The back side has many folds, so I only painted the visible side. Now it's time to draw the cute golden retriever Pompompurin. Brown, draw a circle in the center for the nose and make the mouth in the shape of the letter U. Now draw eyes in the shape of the letter Phi horizontally. So cute! Vivid pink, paint your mouth. Yellow ochre, I'll draw Pompompurin's trademark beret. When you hesitate because you don't have a sketch, draw a small sketch and adjust the size as needed. Brown, draw the large ears of a golden retriever. There are many creases on the back, so connect the lines in small sections. Vivid pink. I'll give you points with a heart touch on both cheeks. Oh, small and precious. I'll wrap Pompompurin in a lab coat. Spread the wrap evenly over the face to prevent wrinkles and secure it with Scotch tape. It's easy to make with ingredients you have at home, so please give it a try, friends. If you succeed, please leave a comment. Wow, super duper cute! Wow, it's so firm. I love it. Okay, let's play with the Pompompurin squishy made from tissue paper. This cute Pompompurin squishy that you'll want to keep pressing and touching. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe and like it. Stay tuned to see what we'll be making next.
Subscribe! Like! Click!
Oh, what kind of formula is this? Please look forward to seeing what happens when you combine Sprinky Pinky and Sponge. Let's get started with today's craft. Let's go! I prepared a urethane scrubber. I took out a scrubber. Let's take a closer look at the scrubber. This urethane scrubber has large holes. It feels rough and sturdy. I'm going to draw a circle with this glass cup. Draw a circle that matches the maximum bottom size. I'll draw Sprinky Pinky's ears. It also shows the ribbon decoration location. Now it's time to cut it with scissors. Cut along the sketch line. Now let's round off the corners. It's not difficult, but you have to cut a lot. Be careful, as your hands may get sore. Work on all corners by turning it back and forth. I'll finish making Pinky out of a scrubber. Make a simple sketch to determine the shape and position. Draw Sprinky Pinky with a black pen. It draws letters in colorful rainbow colors. Emphasize the text by drawing a border around it with a black pen. Erase the pencil lines. Friends, if you enjoy watching the video, please like and subscribe. Please try making one yourself. Let's have fun coloring! Sprinky's Pinky is my favorite character. What is your favorite character? Leave a comment below. Hurry up! I like hearing the sound of the pen. My friends listen carefully too. I only taped the front side. Cut out the picture with scissors and set it aside. Let's open the package and take a look inside. Oh, the vivid pink color is so pretty, isn't it? It stretches like cheese. Combine the Pinky sponge and slime. It may not work well at first. Please press it repeatedly with your finger. You have to put it in the sponge holes little by little. Put it in a plastic bag. Press down firmly on the envelope so that the slime is absorbed well. I'll put a picture tag on the vinyl entrance. I attached double-sided tape in advance. Remove the paper and secure it in place. Please draw Pinky's face with black acrylic marker. I'll color in the Pinky eyes and ribbon too. Wow, super duper cute! Ta-da! Let's play with Pinky Sponge Squishy. this pinky sponge squeezy toy that you'll want to squeeze and touch over and over again. You won't be able to put it down. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and like it. Stay tuned to see what we'll be making next.